Okay, we are going to start with the carbon cycle, which is on slide 36. For this, we're going to focus on how carbon cycles through trees and humans and continues to go around in basically all of biology. So we're going to start here with our tree, and we know that trees are considered producers. So we're going to put that right there, right? Because trees are producers and they do photosynthesis. One of the offshoots of photosynthesis is oxygen, right? Trees give off oxygen. So we're going to put that right there, okay? We know that that's what trees do during photosynthesis. One thing that happens, right, and we've learned this before, is that photosynthesis and cellular respiration are a cycle. And we know that part of that cycle is making glucose, right? So one of the other offshoots of photosynthesis is making glucose, which humans use when they do respiration. And the things that do respiration are producers and autotrophs, but also consumers and heterotrophs, and that's like humans. And one of the pieces that comes out of that would be water and also energy. Both of those come out of cellular respiration. That's just something that happens that we've learned about before. And also, one of the offshoots is that after cellular respiration, they make carbon dioxide, which goes into photosynthesis, and all of this makes a really nice cycle. Now, the last thing is when trees or when humans or when other organisms die, decomposers like mushrooms or like earthworms take in that dead material, and they go through respiration as well, and they also produce CO2 as it. So once they do that and they make the CO2, it goes back into this cycle of photosynthesis and cellular respiration. So it's a constant cycle. Even when things die, that carbon gets put back into the cycle through decomposers. And you can see that all of this does, in fact, have carbon in it in different forms, right? It's either carbon dioxide or in glucose, but it doesn't matter how it is because carbon is always being cycled through in different forms, whether it's through photosynthesis or through cellular respiration in living organisms or through decomposers. Carbon is always there to continuously make this cycle.